Let's talk about it. I got a 2004 GMC Yukon Denali XL. I'm getting rid of this car. I'm sick of it. I ain't doing no more. Cost me over $1,300 in electrical parts that I had to get replaced. I'm having a light that's popping on the dash. You don't see it now. It's reduced power, reduced engine power, whatever that is. I'm done with it. I'm giving y'all a review. I'm selling it. Seat a little bit taut right there. That's really all. I'll unlock the door for y'all. Power everything. Heated seats. Fold-in mirrors. Turns. Wait a minute. Oh, you can't see it now, but turn signal on the mirror on each side, as you can see. It ain't bad. It's not a bad vehicle. I'm sick of it. Ain't nothing else to do with it. 3 rows. Bucket seats. 1 solid seat all the way in the back. Got the tent all the way around. Well, except for the front. But the back is tinted. Tinted windows, tinted glass. Trying to hide the license plate. You don't need to see all that. Not in bad shape. But done with it. Not putting no more work into this thing. Finished with it. The brakes and rotors replaced on the back. I do need shocks, which I never got to. New tires on there. It's a little dirty. Then caliper replaced on the other side. Back up so y'all can see it fully. Denali, or Denali, some people say it like that. Little rust on them. I don't know what that is. It was like that when I bought it. It's coming off. Never got a chance to get none of this stuff looked at, fixed, nothing. Brakes and rotors okay on the front. Decent. Open the hood for you. Got a lot of wires and stuff replaced. Y'all got one of these? Let me know what y'all think about these. Fuel injectors, everything replaced, $1,300 worth of work. Still having issues with it. I'm not about to bother with it. Somebody come take it out my hands. Come take out my hands. I paid $2,800 for it. And I know I ain't gonna make the money back. So that's whatever. See a little squeaking on the belt. Something about one of the tensioners is loose or whatever. Vortex. 6.0 engine. Tires look alright. No, I should have opened the passenger side. What am I doing? I'm skipping doors. Skipping doors. What y'all think about these? Y'all like these? Because I like them. When they run right. But now it won't even pick up speed. It won't hold speed. Nothing. It's like it's almost want to cut off on me, want to shut off. I don't know what the problem is. Let me know if y'all had these problems with these. I only had this car for a couple months, maybe. When I bought this car, I think I bought it in. When did I buy it? June. Bought this car in June. A little rust on it. They rusted just about in the same spots. I think it's aftermarket tail lights. I think. I'm not sure. Never had one before. Let's see. Little rust there. I'm gonna get that replaced. I'm not gonna worry about it. Rust there. See it around there. The brake booster, service brake booster, didn't get around to that either. I'm not gonna bother with it. So I'm selling these. I'm selling this as soon as I get a chance. Not gonna even bother with it, man. It's a good running vehicle when it want to run. Got all my receipts. Got a fuel pump replaced. Let's see if I can get that thing to happen again. No, it ain't gonna happen again. Check engine light is on. ABS light is on. I don't know what the ABS light is on for. Check engine light is a transmission torque converter. I didn't get around to do that either. If you want one of these, you want something roomy, you want something for your family, this is the perfect vehicle for you. Just got to find it in decent enough shape to maintain. I don't know where this vehicle came from, but you know, I'm done, man. No more. I'm done with it. I see why people get the car notes now. I got a battery that they took out, and I got a new battery replaced. I see why people get car notes, man. You buy used cars, you go through a lot of stupidity with them. But let me know what y'all thought. Y'all like these? I don't like them. Is it a waste of money? Is it a waste of time? GM? I don't know. And I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. I gotta fix. Look at that. I got the thing all smashed in. I don't know. I'm done with it, man. Thanks for watching.